I recommend that everybody have at least 2 credit cards. The first credit card is one that has a very low limit, let's say $2,000, and that's the number you use on all the online services. If they get hacked, nobody can spend more than $2,000. That's how you protect yourself. The other card is the one you use when you actually buy things that are not online, and perhaps those purchases can be much more expensive.
First of all, this is buffoonery at its finest. This is clearly coming from a guy who's not reliant on credit cards or maximizing the benefits from having those credit cards. This is probably a guy who has an American Express Platinum card and uses that for every damn purchase that he ever makes, not worried about accumulating points or benefits. The reality of getting credit cards is, yes, you need several credit cards when you're trying to build a thick credit profile. So I agree with him there. But when you're selecting a credit card, you're not selecting a credit card based upon how much it can protect you. You're selecting a credit card that fits your lifestyle. If you do a lot of grocery shopping, a lot of eating out, fast food, restaurants and stuff like that, you're going to want to have a credit card on file like the Chase Freedom Unlimited card or the American Express Gold card. If you do a lot of traveling, you're definitely going to want to look more at cards like the American Express Platinum card or the Chase Sapphire Reserve card or even the Capital One Venture X card. If you don't like rewards point systems at all, then you need to look more at straight up cash back cards like the Capital One Quicksilver card, which gives you 1.5% cash back on everything. I want you to keep in mind that most of these credit card issuers have good fraud protection in place. So being worried about somebody taking your credit card information shouldn't be that big of a deal when selecting a credit card. The whole point of using credit cards in 2024 is to make sure that you're maximizing the perks while spending the same amount of money you were going to spend from a debit card in the first place. Now, before you go biting my head off in the comments talking about, Jay, I've had my identity stolen and it's hell to pay when they run up on your credit cards and blah, 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 blah. I'm not talking about identity theft. I'm talking about credit card fraud. Those are two totally different things. When somebody opens up a credit card in your name and begins running up charges out of the blue, that's a whole different process as far as trying to claim that money back and get your name cleared. When you have a credit card that you built a history with and something goes awry with that credit card that you've built a history with, it's not difficult at all to call the credit card company and say, hey, my card was stolen or my information was compromised. The purchases that you see from this date to this date do not belong to me. I need you to issue me a new credit card and refund the charges that were run up fraudulently. I've done it on multiple occasions with Chase, Capital One, and American Express. It is not a big deal. So before you go all gas, no brakes, pump them hoes real quick. Listen guys, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I drop a new video. Now, a lot of people who watch my content, just like most people in America, are facing credit challenges and don't really know what to do and don't know where to turn because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix your credit, but you want a viable option to make sure that you do the best job possible. A few months back, I dropped a brand new platform that will allow you to challenge anything on your credit that's inaccurate, unfairly reported, being reported untimely, or is unverifiable by the credit bureaus. And it will allow you to do it for a fraction of the cost of professional credit repair. I want you to go to beastdiy.com right now and check out your options. If it seems like it might be a good fit, give it a shot. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support because I know you can get your credit knowledge anywhere on the internet, but you're here with me. Be blessed.